Hi, Jesse here, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team. Welcome to 84 Aspen Springs, this beautiful condo for sale in Bowmanville, unit number 222. This modern one-bedroom condo in Bowmanville checks off all the boxes. It has in-suite laundry, open concept living. You have two beautiful sliding glass doors that go out to a huge deck. You're going to absolutely love it here in Bowmanville. This unit is really unique with it has two entryways out into this huge deck, right out from the living room, and then back into this incredible bedroom. Check out this great bedroom. It's huge, lots of space for a king-size bed. We have access to the ensuite bathroom, double door entry, and these beautiful sliding doors out to an incredible deck.